I don't have my mic on, but I can have it on.
It's like
He's like, well, my phone's in my pocket, so.
food, water, phone, and play with while you guys do work. Hey guys, we're out here on day 2 with our hunting and overland builds. We're about to head out to Sycamore Point out near Williams, Arizona. We're gonna really be pushing our overland build today to test the suspension on it.
I fit the real, like, the hardcore stereotype of being a guy that wears flannels and does it.
Yeah.
Takes pictures and has Instagram, like.
Right?
Right there. That's what we're looking at. Best trail in the whole nation.
Yeah, which way are we going here, boys? That's kind of a fork in life, isn't it?
That's deep. Oh, we go to the right.
I'm pretty sure.
No one's talking about the middle path.
Because look, there's a heel print, front print,
okay.
mud slip.
Yeah, yep, you're right.
A bear.
Claw looks right there. Like
yeah, you're right. Is that? Are these quad squatch tracks? Yeah, shield your eyes, boys.
the whole thing.
Wow. Holy cow! That's pretty awesome.
If I die, then what are you compensating?
I go over there.
Oh, you're right. My dad's gonna be sad.
Hey guys, we're wrapping up day 2. Obviously, we're having a lot of fun out here in the mud at Sycamore Point with our hunting and overland builds. Can't wait to bring more to you.